Welcome everyone to Corporate Governance courses. Today I'm Maria Grace Herlina and with me the senior students of Bina Nusantara University, Sugi. Both of us will share about corporate governance. First of all, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Sugiharto Bangsawan and I'm senior from Binus Business School. And today I'm gonna share about corporate governance.
Okay. We are going to talk about corporate governance as the first and very basic one.
Yeah.
Okay, Sugi, can you tell me what is corporate governance?
Before we go further about corporate governance, we're gonna analyze about governance and corporation first. Governance is derived from old French words, which is governance is the act, manner, functioning of rules that determine a course of action through an intended or a major system of process. And corporation is derived from Latin word which is corpus or body. Corporate refers to a group of people, usually authorized by form of agreement, acting as individual or group, especially in business and civic activities.
Okay, there is two words in
Yeah.
corporate governance. First of all is the governance itself and also the corporate.
Correct.
Okay, next, what others can you tell me about corporate governance?
So, as we can see, based on the definition, we can conclude that corporate governance is a system by which companies are directed or controlled. If you ask, what does that system mean? That system means corporate governance consists of rules and regulation that covers the activities of the board and its relationship with shareholders and with management and with other stakeholders as well.
Okay, if you want to share or to talk about corporate governance in the very short term, can you give me maybe 3 keywords to?
First keyword I would say is a system. Second is rules and regulation, and the last is overseeing a company.
Okay, so is it the same corporate governance and management?
Oh, of course, it cannot be more different because if management is about running the business, the governance is more to ensure that the business is being run in the right direction. What does it mean? As you can see in the picture below, the management is about running a business. That's why it has hierarchical process, and governance is about the business is being well run, and it's about to supervise in the big picture. That's why the government structure is more horizontal because it's one of director is giving its their expertise.
Okay, if is it can I say that management is a part of corporate governance or corporate governance is a part of the management? Which one is a part of the other one, in your opinion? Yeah.
Of course, management is a part of corporate governance because corporate governance it's about the big picture, and management is about the day-to-day operation.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If we can conclude, what is the difference between governance and management? Can you tell us more?
The difference between governance and management can be divided into four functions of management, which is planning, leading, organizing, and controlling. First, in the planning, if management is about day-to-day operation, which is the preparation of plan, governance is about the approval of plans. And the leading part, management is leading in the field of those who implement the plan, and governance is about providing overall leadership. And on organizing side, as you can see, management is both hierarchical and task division and resource usage, while governance is about arranging resource for each one of the division. And on the controlling side, management is controlling employee and governance is on the higher side, which is controlling managers.
Yeah, to make you easier to understand, we provided the table to compare between governance and management. And Sugi, can you tell me that is corporate governance the relationship between the component of corporate governance in the context of management, perhaps the relation of the shareholders and the managers? Can you tell me more? Yeah, the dynamic,
dynamic.
and the relationship between management, boards, and okay. Can you tell me?
As you can see from what I stated before, corporate governance is rules and regulation that determine the dynamic between shareholders, management, and board of directors. That's why rules and regulation made by corporate governance will determine its rights and obligation for board of director, management, shareholders. Yeah.
Okay, if we can conclude, what is the conclusion of corporate governance as a brief conclusions?
So corporate governance is a system by which a company is controlled. What does it mean? A system that involves rules and regulation that determine the relationship between board, management, and shareholders, and other stakeholders as well.
Okay, now to close this first course, what is corporate governance? Is it a system, a structural hierarchy, or a management roles?
So, as I stated before, corporate governance is a system by which a company is directed. Structural and management rules is more into management side.
Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. This is the first video of corporate governance. This is about the introductions, and we will see you again in our next video. Thank you and goodbye.